good, Road Cam? How you guys doing, man? It is Randy, and I'm back with another video. Guys, I hope you guys love these videos I've been coming out with. I've been excited to drive this thing, and I put over 400 miles since I unboxed this thing. Now, I did have one issue that came with the scooter when I got it out of the box, which is this. This is the front brake. The front brake was extremely squishy, so I ordered a kit. We're gonna be bleeding it, but that's the least of our issues. This scooter is badass. It's got a 35 amp battery. I think it's got like a 2,000 watt motor, and I think that's on the front and the rear. So it's got like 4,000 watts going to this thing that's juicing it. It is extremely fast. Now, I'm not gonna tell you guys how fast I got it up to, because today I'm gonna actually demonstrate the top speed and see if you guys enjoy just as much as I do. Let's do a quick clip of my area where I'm at, and then we're gonna do a follow so that way you guys can see how far and how long it took me to get to my destination. All right, let's turn up, baby, let's go.
Only God wants you, better go live it up, cash in the bag, stadium packed, baby I'm back, baby I'm back.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society.
Hey guys, so check it out. I'm gonna turn off my music for this ride, or I'm gonna add some extra music for you guys, so that way we don't get copyright. Guys, we're up to like 520 subscribers, man. We are not too far away from 1,000. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, man. Anyway, on another note, this right here is the app that I'm going to be using to track exactly how far I'm going and how long it's going to take me. I only have 11 minutes and about 10 seconds left on my camera, but I can guarantee you we're going to make it to our destination in a short period of time. All right, let's turn up, baby. Let's get going. I think she's recording. Resume. Bam, let's go, baby. Wait a second. I guess that's a safety feature right there. Your scooter cuts off before you even get started if you use your password, which is really good. It's a good theft deterrent, because without, wait, let me cover this up. Without your password, you can't go anywhere. So what good is a 125-pound scooter if it doesn't actually have any go sauce, right? Anyway, guys, let's get it going, man. We've already wasted 30 seconds. What? Let's go. Easy over the bumps. Easy over the bumps. Now, I could be in the bike lane. I really should be. But always play it safe. All right, you guys can see we're doing about 43 miles per hour. And I left my house with 100% battery. Now, I did not bring my charger today, and I did that on purpose because I've been riding, and you guys can see we did 485 miles actually. I'm not worried about the battery at all. I can drive clear across town. The other night I drove through 3 cities from north to south, so I'm 100% not worried about the battery. Now, I want to show you guys, this is a little side road up here, but we're going to show you how durable. When I say we, I mean me and you, because technically you guys are listening, right? I'm gonna show you guys how durable this thing really is. And then I'll get into the top speed. So on this road right here, there's a few ramps. Well, there's ramps to me at least. But there's a speed bump up here. And you guys, I don't recommend you guys taking your hands off the steering wheel at all. It is not safe. But plant your feet well when you see these bumps and go for it. Woo, woo, woo. It's the most fun I've ever had, man. I can't lie, guys. Ramping these speed bumps. Literally ramping them. So much fun. So much fun. And everyone seems to love the scooter vibes. Everybody. And you can see we're doing 40 miles per hour hitting these jumps. I love it, man. I'm gonna have to come back and get another video of me jumping that because I have no idea how fast I'm going. Oh man. And you can see people are already looking. They're breaking their neck. You see that lady looking. And I used to work there. That's the crazy thing about it. I used to work right there. All right, let's see if we can get into a top speed. This isn't the best road to do it on, but I'm gonna give it all hell. $57, $59. Let's see, come on, baby, 61. Woohoo! Hey, man, that wasn't bad for a bumpy road, man. That should mean a lot. That means that this thing should hit a little bit more on a smoother surface. And for anybody who thinks I'm going downhill, I'm in Florida. That should tell you everything you need to know about any of the hills that you might think I might be on when I'm gaining my my maximum speed. Let's see how long we've been riding. I hope this thing is still on. I think it is. Yeah, it is. We'll be able to open up the app when we stop. But yeah, man, let's go left today. Or maybe we should go right. Yeah, maybe we'll go right. We'll do the top speed over here to the right. Gonna have to let this car kind of get in front of us a little bit. And I noticed it's kind of windy today. Sometimes I like to activate the light when I'm going through intersections, just to let people know I'm coming through. All right, I think this will be a good spot for us to test out the top speed. Let's go ahead and see if we can juice her one more time. And I got to get really aerodynamic, so you won't be able to see it, guys. 63, baby. I told you guys, man, this thing is a beast. Man, I am so in love with this thing. I am so in love with this thing, man. I just hit 63 miles per hour. For anybody who said that that'd be scary to do on one of these, you guys just watched the video of me doing it. And that was on the main road. What do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of that? Seriously. I'm curious as to what everybody feels about this scooter. Because I have no complaints. It's been the most fun and transportation I've had in a very long time. I don't have to abide by the same laws as a motorcycle would. And I don't have to abide by the same laws a bicycle would. It's a 100% electric. I don't spend any money on gas. Kaabo, man, you guys did an excellent job making these, man. Vanessa Wu, if you're watching this, I hope you actually message me back, because I'm really trying to sell these, man. A lot of people in my area are gonna see me driving this thing around more and more. And I already sell cars on a daily basis. I sell a lot of cars. So selling a scooter, that's no problem. I also work with several different banks, so I can give people the same financing possibilities that you guys were able to. I don't like going through intersections, so I'm gonna spin around, and I'm gonna try to get here as quick as possible, man. I'm trying to hurry up and get over here. It shouldn't take us too long. Just weaving through the parking lot here. And guys, when you're going through the parking lot, you're 7 foot tall on this thing. Unless you're 8 foot tall and then you're on this and you're 10 foot tall. You know what I'm talking about. But anyway, you are tall as hell on this. So use that to your advantage. Use that to your advantage. Pay attention to the roads around you, the people around you. Ride safe and be safe. Don't do anything stupid. And when you're turning and you're leaning on this thing, you do not want to give it gas until you're damn near almost straightened up. But you can see 44 miles per hour is literally, feels like 20 miles per hour to me. But we are definitely moving. And anybody who wants to know how to brake on this, when you're riding fast like that and you're braking, just lean back. Also, when you hit these ramps, I put both feet on the board and gas that motherfucker. Like I said, guys, I am in love with this damn thing, man. We are almost to my office, guys. We are almost to the destination. I wonder how long we've taken. I wonder how many miles exactly it is. But we got that app running. Whoa! So we'll be able to tell here shortly. There's a car coming up behind us, but he can't catch us in speed. So we'll zoom up. Hop on the sidewalk. Come around, got the electric Tesla, I love it. You guys see exactly where we're at. We are at the dealership, guys. Yes, sir. Finally here, man. That was awesome, guys. That was freaking awesome. Guys, thank you for rolling with me, man. Thank you for those who have subscribed. Thank you for those who are watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys. All right, so till the next video, you guys take it easy. As I always say, stay rolling, stay blessed, and let's get to it, man. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.